Welcome back to our Linux tutorial series. In this episode, you'll learn how to see your current location in Linux and how to move to a different directory. In this video, my Linux username is Blue Falcon, so you'll see my home folder named the same. If you're following along, your username is probably different, so your home folder will have a different name. Keep that in mind during the tutorial. So, let's get started. To see your current location in Linux, we use the pwd command, which stands for print working directory. It shows the absolute path of your current location. For example, if you're inside the Documents folder and run pwd, it will show the absolute path of Documents folder. In Linux, to change your current directory, we use the cd command, that stands for change directory. You can use it in three ways. First, you can run just cd and it takes you straight to your home directory. Second, you can use cd with an absolute path. This moves you to that directory, no matter where you are. For example, if you run cd/home/bluefalcon/downloads, that command takes you to the downloads folder. And third, you can use cd with a relative path. This changes to a folder based on your current location. For example, if you're in the home directory and run cd documents, you'll move into the Documents folder because it's inside your current directory. In a previous video, we talked about some special symbols used in Linux paths. 2 dots, which mean one level up directory, a single slash, which means the root directory, and the tilde symbol, which stands for your home directory. Here's how you use these with the cd command. Cd 2 dots move you one level up. For example, if you're in /usr/lib, running cd 2 dots takes you up to /usr. cd/ takes you to the root directory, no matter where you are. For example, if you are in /usr/local/bin, running cd/ will bring you to root directory. cd tilde takes you to your home directory, no matter where you are. For example, if you are inside /etc, running cd tilde will bring you back to home directory. And finally, cd- switches back to the previous directory. For example, if you were in /var/log, then move to /opt, running cd- takes you back to /var/log. It's a quick way to toggle between two directories. Now you know the basic navigation commands in Linux. Practice these commands regularly, because you'll use them every single day when working with Linux. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Linux tips and tricks. And if you have any question, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. In the next video, we'll learn how to see the list of files and folders in a directory, an essential step in exploring and managing your Linux system.